Good morning, Mayan Buntag. Happy New Year. This is the first video of 2022. I'm gonna have to get used to saying that. But today we're off to Loboc. I'm gonna go back. It's my first time back since just after the typhoon happened. So I wanna go see what's been happening with there, see how I can help out. 2 stops. One I already made, I got gas. There was no line. How amazing is that? And next I gotta do a little bit of charging. All of my devices are almost dead. So I need to get those charged because I don't know what time I'll be back tonight. So right now we're off to go get some charge and then we're off to Loboc. See you in a bit. Well, we made it to Loboc, and things don't look much different from 2 weeks ago when I was here. It looks pretty rough. Check this out. You could probably see that when I was driving in. Both sides of the road, people are trying to clear out things from their house. It's sort of put on the road, but it's gonna take a long time to get that cleaned up. Okay, so I'm back here in Loboc. Finally, after a week or so. I really wanted to come today too because last night there was a rainfall warning. The tide was super high. People evacuated again because they were worried about the river flooding. It pretty much hit the top of the crest, but I don't think it actually flooded. I'll find out soon, but I'm here on the bridge. We'll go fly the drone. We'll take a look around. Well, if you can believe it, from the last time I was here, it's a lot less mud. Still a lot of mud, but a lot less mud. All right, well, that's gonna wrap up this video. I wanted to give you guys a little bit of a look at what's been happening in Loboc. In the last video, a few people asked for some of the different areas. So today I did a little bit in town and around the church. So that way you could see what was happening there. Didn't really film myself too much, working and helping out, just because the more I fiddle with the camera, the less time I'm actually working. So that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. I'm gonna try to do a different area next time, help some different people. But yeah, that's the update from here in Bohol. Thank you very much. Have an awesome day. See you later. Bye.